Haka arpusau terik ulber kepada kesngi kerpang jongka World TB Day. Kumta lapen long lang ya kani kajing elang ban ken mau ya kajing kabawan ra na kajing pang TB. Haka ba ladan lang kakong Dr. AJ Renja Assistant Program Officer NTEP uba Wailad Miki Shilla Minister Health and Family Welfare Meghalaya Batkiway. Ha Meghalaya ladon bun bha ki test TB lale da kini ki kor start bat kajing sumar kalong nakabenta kinong pang knang ba omdon manu badu jingyarap namar kajing duk kajing pang TB kamdei tang kajing pang kamet henry kayadei bat kajing duk jingbong byang kabam bat kijing haka imlang sa lang ha Meghalaya ha usnam ara
a lot of challenges, especially in terms of having doctors in our state. There are still many PHC and CHCs which now still working with single doctors. But are the government is doing nothing? No. The government is trying its level best. This problem would have been solved if we have a medical college 10-15 years back. Why we are facing these difficulties? Because all this time we have to depend from the central pool for our student to go and study medical. So now with the Shillong Medical College starting, already the first session is already start. Now we have the Purno Sangma International Medical College in Khanapara, where the government is tied up with the USTM. We have students over there, and if with God's grace, if everything goes well, this year we'll be able to start with the Tura Medical College. So more or less in after 5 years from now, around 200 more doctors will come to our state, which will really help us to have doctors in our health, in our hospitals and PHC and CHCs. So because of the continuous effort from our Honorable Chief Minister, as you all remember, in the state of Meghalaya, where we follow matrilineal society, where women is given due respect. But it's so sad to see that a few years ago, Meghalaya is ranked highest in mother mortality rate, MMR and IMR, above the national average. But due to the continuous effort and under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and our team from the Health Department, I am so happy to inform you that all this, because of all this effort, there have been a 56% reduction in the mother mortality rate. Right now, we are below the national average. And we will continue to work harder to see that this number will keep on reducing more. And the same will goes with the mission for eradicating tuberculosis. So as I don't want to go again, lada klem ka jing ya trailang ka jong pi kamdai ka besok ya ka sorkar lani ya ki doctors bangin sumari pi ngidon kam ya ka jing ya trailang ka jong pi namar bat kini ki TB cases ro don ki balas dang ya ka treatment tang baki jano kitip lada pi follow ya ka treatment hapo ndru benai pila ban fior lani ban penjano ya ka to ka jingpang tambal ada pi no shiteng por kakela no sya ke MDR lada kakela sya ke MDR then kata kejing sumar kahap teng na kan riu benai na sya ka sistem la ne sistem shiteng taka kata syok tena kata kadau nga appeal ya ki Paidbah jong state ban one ban test yaladi nanta ban Shim ya kejing sumar ban hooi mi skill to ndai ka basuk ya piro ki don hi kijing erap na kaliang jong ke government ngi erap ka financial assistant na ka sorkar kumba sanspa shipanai if I'm not wrong 500 a month 1000 shihajar shipanai ki erap ya gitu ki TB patient pada kejo ko poro ngi appeal ya kini ki riu shimet mo ki ba ngidon ketu ka niksha mitra ba phila ban wan ban Shim ban Shim ya uwei ke jing ba klik ya uwei TB patient ban yarap ya ban yo ki jing bam ki ba nutritional food namar udon kam namar pitip ba ke TB ka kta ya ke immunity tengi don kam ya ki jing bam ki ba biang ki ba klain ki ban pen klain ya ka immunity tengah appeal ro ya ki riu shimet ki ba don ya kata kalat ki ba ublei ulak terku tengah singobha bakin wan syakmat ban kersan lang ya kini ki patient nang bakin la ban yo ya ke jing yarap tada kini ki kentin